friends, we are on the road again. We just left our Airbnb in Indio, California, where we stayed the last couple of days and did some really sweet hiking. You should check that video. Right now we are headed out to the Salton Sea area. If you're not familiar with that area, it used to be a booming tourist destination, and now it's kind of like a creepy ghost town, and there's like weird stuff to see. So we're gonna check that out, and it should be awesome. However, part 2 of this excursion is we're going to be camping for the first time together, and really for the first time period in many, many years. And Christine is super excited about it.
Super excited.
She's not really excited, but it should be a fun adventure. So we'll see how that goes, see what kind of trouble we get into, and hopefully we survive the camping. But here it is.
So I'm pretty sure this used to be the shoreline right here, and now it's receded so much that they have to put picnic benches closer to the shoreline.
That's crazy. This is so massive though.
Here's even like a something. Is that like a...
Oh yeah, these are all bones. Look.
Yeah.
Oh, that might be a piece of wood. I can't tell. But these are all little like barnacle shells.
Look at this.
Ew. Yep, that's a dead fish. Down by the water now, and it's really beautiful, but it doesn't smell great down here. Great facilities. No one here. Lovely car. I don't know what I'm doing. All right. We're at what's called East Jesus here in Slab City, and if you come here, you can either come by car, or you can grab a boat, or you can just fly an airplane.
Found a huge dinosaur.
Yeah. This is incredible. We ride for each other. Dolphin farts create greenhouse gases. Dolphin farts are more toxic than car exhaust, cigarette smoke, and coal-powered power plants combined. Did you know dolphins were genetically engineered by Stalin to destroy freedom? Cuban dolphins killed Kennedy and Jesus.
And Jesus, obviously.
Paid by Americans against dolphins. Political Action Committee. I gotta get signed up for that. Actually, I love dolphins.
But that was hilarious.
Yeah. East Jesus Daycare. Slab City.
Welcome to Salton Sea Beach. So this used to be beach beachfront property right here.
So we made it to probably the greatest place on earth, the International Banana Museum, but it's still closed for COVID. But you can bet we, or just I, we will be coming back here because I need to see the International Banana Museum, and I know you do too. So take heart, we will get here eventually, but today we will not. We just set up our tent at this campsite where we're going to be staying, and I'm going to show you. I haven't set this tent up in about 10 years, I believe. Ugh. There's the wife.
We did it.
Our setup's pretty basic. Threw down 3 blankets, sleeping bags,
got our sleeping bags,
pillows, a bunch of knives because that's just fun, and
here's another knife.
And a bunch of flashlights, and that's basically all that's in
the
here.
most important thing. We hung this one here because that seemed cool.
Boom, good job. Hi friends, we just got to Bombay Beach where there's the ruins from, I guess, the 1950s, 60s, and 70s before this place became a ghost town. Well, it's Sunday morning, so we figured we'd go to church here.
You can see where the foundations of buildings were.
Yeah.
Here and over there.
Hi friends, we are out doing a whole nother adventure, but I wanted to let you know, we wanted to let you know, we now have stickers. Yeah, woo! And you know, once these stickers are stuck, people can scan these with their phones. It's a QR code, and it will take you to our YouTube page. So if you want a sticker, just let us know and we'll figure out a way to get it to you. So yeah, stickers, let's go!
The last resort.